Hello everyone, this is Al coming to you once again for Kindred Souls of Brooklyn. I'd like to welcome all our new subscribers, family, friends. Folks, thank you very much for tuning in. Today I'm coming to you from the beautiful town of Celebration, the Disney town of Celebration, here on the southernmost part of Disney property in Osceola County. And we're going to go to what I think is the best dog food pet supply store in all of Orlando. It's called the Wolfgang Bakery. The manager inside's name is Kimberly. She's given us permission to film in there. It's a magnificent place to come, folks, for advice. It's a really big store, and you'd be very happy to come there. So stay tuned. It's Halloween time. Let me turn you around over here so you get an idea of Celebration from this end. You can see the pumpkins up on the lamppost behind me. And they have the leaf fall on Saturday nights and Sunday nights too. So got my Figment shirt on today. So folks, stay tuned for an awesome tour of Wolfgang Bakery here in the Disney town of Celebration. Thank you. So here we have some birds taking a bath here in the little puddle in Celebration. And of course we're going to be going into the store with Curly, our Bichon Frise. Pets are welcome in the store. And going to show that on video. So yeah, so this is Celebration, and you can see right there, the store is right here on corner of Front Street and Market Street. So I'm going to show you the outside right now. So this is the outside of the store. It's the Wolfgang Bakery. You can't really miss it. It's next to the Celebration movie theater, and it's right near the Celebration Lake and the Celebration Hotel. Lots of great places to see and walk through over here. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, it's October, and just a really nice place to come. There's an old-fashioned ice cream parlor right next door to it, so you can come here and have some good food for your dog and also some ice cream for yourself. So I'm going to go on in now and take a look inside. So right off the bat, folks, one thing I really love is that they have the water for the dogs right outside. So to me, that's always a sign of a really cool establishment, and really appreciate it. Plus, it's Florida, so of course they need all the hydration they can get. So hi, folks, this is Kimberly. She's the manager here at the Wolfgang Bakery. How are you, Kimberly?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. You have a lovely store here.
Thank
It's
you.
beautiful.
Thank you.
As I said in the beginning of the video, I think this is the nicest store. I mean, I know Petco and all those are bigger, but this is the best place to come for advice. It's a beautiful store. Can you tell us the history of the store?
So we've been here about 10 years. We were one of the first, I think we were the sixth franchise that was open. There's about 110 locations now, mostly in the south, but they are spreading up north more. One thing that makes us different than the other locations is we actually bake and decorate our own treats. We have a little kitchen over in the corner,
Wow.
different treats depending on the season. If you wanted to come over here.
Oh, sure. Yeah, that would be great. This is a beautiful store, folks.
We have our
Look at this.
Halloween treats out right now, the little skeletons, the little blue ghosts, cannolis and squirrels we have year round. We do Mickey cookies, one of our specialty cookies.
Oh, wow, I
we do
love
regular
it.
Mickeys, but for the holidays we do like a pumpkin, we do Minnie as a witch, and then we do Christmas ones as well.
These are, honestly, do people want to come and eat them themselves? Because I feel like I want to eat one myself.
I've tasted most of what's on the table. When
Wow.
when you're baking, so much you wonder what it tastes like, and
Right.
I don't want to feed my dog anything that tastes awful, so
Exactly. I imagine it's all like organic ingredients in there too, right?
Human grade ingredients. You could eat it. It's just no added sugar, and we bake them with a low moisture content, so they're more shelf stable and they're crunchier for the dogs because it's better for their teeth. So that's really the only difference between a dog cookie and a people cookie. It's crunchier and then no sugar.
I like the whole thing with the teeth because Kimberly, like herself, has a Bichon.
Yeah,
And
Toby.
and
I
us
wish
is
he was
Curly.
here today.
Yeah. And the Bichons have a thing with the teeth where you have to
They
kind
do.
of
They-
do the dental thing every couple of years, right? You've done that, I'm
Yeah,
sure, already.
He actually had his dental cleaning at the vet a few weeks ago. And then we have like a toothbrush, which he hates, and we do like the teeth wipes, which he hates, but he has his dental chews, which he likes those, so
Exactly.
it's not too bad.
That is amazing, Kimberly. That is amazing. And you guys do grooming too, right?
Yeah, we do. We have a pet spa. We have 2 groomers that are here full time. One of them actually shows poodles. So we have a lot of poodles in Celebration. So she's known as the Celebration Poodle Groomer.
Really?
She's actually at a dog show right now showing some of her poodles.
Wow, I didn't know that. Wow. See, it's a fascinating place, folks. Celebration. Gotta come see, and gotta come to Wolfgang Bakery. That is awesome.
Yeah, we try to make it more personalized towards people. I know most of the dogs' names that come in. I know Most of them I can tell you what their favorite treat is. Like if Peaches comes in, I know she likes everything. But if Dewey comes in, he likes a little pumpkin shortbreads. We have Peter Barker. He likes the peanut butter bones.
Peter Barker, I love that name.
Yeah, yeah. So we have a lot of communities around here. So we have local people that come like daily or weekly.
Right.
You know, as they're walking their dogs, they stop in for a free treat jar at the desk.
That is, and folks, while I'm standing here, these actually smell fantastic. I mean, I wish there was such a thing as smell-o-vision, because you could smell them.
Like
It is amazing.
pumpkin softies.
Oh, wow. Well, these are amazing. Pumpkin softies. Whoop, I'll get that. These smell fabulous. And the whole thing here smells fabulous. It really smells like a bakery.
We've had people buy them for themselves.
I believe it, because it smells really good. Wow.
And then sometimes the kids love to buy them for their siblings as a joke.
Oh,
and
my God.
They don't let them know that they came from a pet store. Then they're like, oh, you ate a dog cookie. But it's still, it's still a good cookie.
Wow, this is amazing. Well, thank you so much for letting us come in, Kimberly. You're so welcoming.
Anytime.
And I wish you nothing but success. It's a great place, and I'm sure everyone's going to want to come down and meet you. And
we have cat stuff as well.
Oh,
so
cat stuff.
Don't let the name fool you. Just because it's Wolfgang, we still love our kitties.
I didn't know that. See, I learned something right there. All the time I'm coming, I didn't even know that.
And we're very breed friendly. Any breed is available. We can do breed grooming. I know some places don't want to bathe pit bulls or groom pit bulls. From our staff, I think we have 5 pit bulls total.
Wow.
The owner has 2, a groomer has 3, so we're very pit friendly.
That is fabulous, because you don't see that everywhere, because you go to a lot of other places like Petco or whatever, and they'll tell you this particular
I've had
breed isn't
people come in
allowed.
and
And
say that PetSmart refused to bathe their dog. Would we do it? I'm like, absolutely.
wow, and because honestly, the way I feel, it's not the breed, it's how they're raised and how they're treated. I feel that completely. Well, Kimberly, thank you so much. You've been wonderful. I really appreciate you. And we're going to see you real soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Thank you for being so welcoming. We appreciate you. Thanks, Kimberly. All right, so thanks again to Kimberly. Again, I'm going to do a little tour now of the store. And you have everything here, folks. You got mugs, glasses, pet bowls. And as she said, there's all kinds of things for cats as well. And like she mentioned, there's a lady in town who shows poodles. And she's at a dog show right now. So here's some of your cat toys and catnip. This is the cat section back here. And like I say, folks, this is a beautiful place to come, not only because it's a wonderful place with a wonderful staff, but you're here in Celebration. You could just come and walk around here, come to the store, and just spend the whole afternoon here and longer. I mean, we came, and we ended up, staying a lot longer than that. So, just a tour of the place. As I say, folks, these cookies smell fantastic. I want to eat one right now, but I won't. But Halloween theme, there you go. They do birthday cakes here for your dog too. Look at that. Get a birthday cake. All the bones. And you can see, folks, this is immaculate. Oh, there's Curly making a friend. He loves them. Say hi, Curly. The place where all the doggies meet.
I know, exactly. I know.
Oh, it's adorable. So yeah, folks, as she said too, they do the grooming. And it's a very, very clean place, folks. I can't tell you how beautiful and clean it is right here. It was just amazing. This is like what she was talking about, the kitchen where they make the dog cookies. This is amazing. You got all the dog toys, anything you could imagine, folks. And as she said, she could order whatever you want too. They do all kinds of special things. We're near Disney, so of course you have all your Marvel and DC stuff represented. Disney doesn't own DC, but that's represented too. You have sports teams. We have a lot of international folks in Florida, so you have collars there with the Union Jack on it. All kinds of sports teams. You got your doggy bandanas. Special leashes. Oh, I like this Captain America leash, folks. There you go. Batman too. Oh, nice. And you have a little rack of greeting cards. As you guys know, follow my channel. We owned a Hallmark store for 25 years. And I love the greeting cards. Really nice. Really nice. And then you have all your refrigerated food in here too. They sell Instinct and they sell Primal. So this is the refrigerated section for the dog food. Really cool. And as you can see, folks, it's very busy. They're very welcoming. They've got a returning clientele. So that's a great sign that you know they're doing excellent things here. All kinds of cute little signs. I love these. Dogs are just children that don't think or ask for money. All kinds of cute little sayings. I love it. Oh man, look at this. Bowser beer. This is beefy brown ale. All different flavors. It's a non-alcoholic treat for dogs. So you have beefy brown ale, cockadoodle brew, and I don't know what else. Oh, another one. That's cockadoodle brew. Little peanut butter strips there. Amazing, amazing. And folks, this is the pet spa where they do the grooming. Right in there. Nice and clean again. Beautiful place, beautiful place. And you also have your personalized dog tags too. All different kinds of styles and shapes. Excellent. Alrighty folks, so again, a big thank you to Kimberly and her staff here at the Wolfgang Bakery in Celebration. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We want to start that foundation for our son Matt. For those who don't know, we lost our son Matt August 12th, and we're trying to start a foundation for suicide prevention. So please, folks, subscribe if you can. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers just to monetize the channel. That's a YouTube requirement, and I deeply appreciate that. And thanks for tuning in. Please come down to Wolfgang Bakery. I'm going to take a picture of the fountains over here. And I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in, and I'll see you real soon on the next video. This is Al signing off from the Disney Town of Celebration. Thanks, folks.